at a Better Avenue Exotic Bullies. Gonna try out the replacement Bubble Milk Bowl. Feed small cats and dogs. Got a new litter of puppies that's about a week old. We're finna see how they do on this Nipple Bowl. This is the Nipple Bowl. Throw your milk in, put your puppies on. Pretty cool little thing. Feel very soft. Got replacement milk. We're about to see how it works. We also still feed on the mom, but sometimes we want to just see how they do if the mom not able to feed. It's dripping out because he barely hit it with his nose and some milk. It's just so complicated. Yeah, you like that ain't my mama. Alright, I turn him like sideways and get him. Once he get on it.
Minutes later.
After struggling to get them all on, finally all is on, all sucking. We shall see how it goes. So far, so good. Time for us to change their mats again. Please excuse that. They've been in here asleep for the last 2 hours. But replacement nipple bowls. So far, so good. And we out.
Yeah, nigga, this that big dog shit. Type of shit that change a nigga life like a fentanyl flip. Die broke or you can ball rich. I can take you outside in them trenches where them hogs live.